Vue.js, which is a specific language or a specific framework in JavaScript. So again, ask rather than thinking about okay, which language is cool, like Vue or whatever it is, you need to identify where your skills exactly lies. What are you interested in, and then take it from there. So then saying okay, Node.js is cool, AngularJS is whatever it is all going to expire with time. There would be better languages. The coding in itself is going to be automated as well. So rather than focusing on what particular language, you need to identify okay, what are the fields that I'm interested in, where are the opportunities lies, and then learn a set of languages from there. First you have to identify the basis of the coding, because the logic remains the same. It's just the syntax that changes. Once you have confidence in the logic of the language, then the syntax of language is easy. You can learn syntax of any language in 15 days. So now I know the logic itself. I could learn any language in 10 to 15 days, and that's about it.